So you've been in a car wreck. Should you talk to the adjuster for the other insurance company? Hey, my name is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer. And for the last 25 years, I've handled personal injury cases in Alabama, personal injury, wrongful death. Now we also handle other things with credit reporting and debt collectors. But kind of what we've done for, my whole career is personal injury. So this is a question that comes up a lot. So you've been in a car wreck and the other side had insurance. That's good. And then that adjuster from the insurance company reaches out to you and says, hey, I want to talk to you. I want to get a recorded statement just so I understand what happened. It'll help me to be able to help you. So what do? Well, first thing I would suggest to you is understand that adjuster for the other insurance company, so the guy that hit you had Allstate or Geico or whoever, that adjuster from Allstate or Geico is not your friend. They may be friendly to you on the phone. They may be nice in emails. They are not your friend, okay? And you may decide to talk to them or you may not, but don't do that because you say, oh, they're such a nice person. I mean, I just really feel this connection with them. I feel like they're trying to do the right thing. They're not, okay? That's not their job. Their job is not to get you the most money that you're entitled to. Their job is to pay out preferably zero, nothing. If they can't do that, then their job is, if you're entitled to this much money, they want to only pay this much or this much or this much, but they never want to pay you what you're fully entitled to. And look, that's the right thing for them to do, is they don't represent you. Okay, this is not your own insurance company. They have no obligation to you. They have no duty to you. Instead, their obligation is to their insurance company they work for, which is to pay out as little of money as possible. So, do you talk to them? Well, you may want to talk to them. I would be very, very hesitant to give them a recorded statement. Okay, and normally they will tell you, hey, we're recording this statement, but anytime you're talking to them, you can assume you're being recorded, okay? I would just be very, very careful about that because what they want you to do is either on your own or through some very skillful questions is to get you to say in a recorded statement that the injuries that you have are not as severe as they really are. Okay, let me give you an example. So I've been in a car wreck. I'm talking to this very nice seeming adjuster. And he says to me, so, were you hurt in there? I go, oh, yeah. My neck's been killing me. He goes, okay. So your neck was hurt. And tell me about that. Did it ever hurt you before? Okay. I go, no. I didn't have any neck problems before. Just after that wreck, man, my neck's been killing me. Okay. Well, anything else? No, it's really my neck. Okay, so it's only your neck, and your neck never hurt you before. Yeah, that's right. Obviously, I'm exaggerating a little bit here, but look what we've done. If my shoulder hurts, they say, well, when you gave that recorded statement, you just talked about your neck. Well, my left knee hurts, but see, I didn't mention that because I was kind of fixated on my neck. And then they go through my medical records, and it turns out 6 years ago, I complained to the doctor about it. I was having some neck pain. So the only injury is my neck, and I lied about that because they got me to say it never bothered me before. Well, see, I forgot about 6 years ago that it bothered me. And so this very nice adjuster just asking these very simple questions, it's very informal. Just if, back in the day, we used to do this, in person, and I would just say, I'm going to put this recorder down now, obviously put a phone down, but now they just do it by phone. And so you have to be very careful. And as you're describing the wreck, see if you leave anything out at the end, they'll say, now, is there anything else that you need to tell me? Anything else that's important? No, I think I've covered it all. But you left out a detail that can come back and hurt you. Okay, so I'm not saying that you should never talk to them. You make that decision if you're representing yourself. Now, obviously, if we represent you or another lawyer represents you, then talk to your lawyer about it. But I'm saying be very, very careful. This adjuster is not your friend. They are not there to make sure that you get a fair settlement. They are there to make sure, if possible, you get an unfair settlement. You're entitled to this much. They want to pay you this much. Okay? And that doesn't make them bad. it just makes, you just need to understand these people are not your friend. Okay. Same thing when, for 25 years I've been doing litigation cases, and we'll have a wrongful death case or really serious injury case. And sometimes a lawyer on the other side is very, very nice. And I'll tell my client as they're about to be deposed, I'll say, look, this guy's going to be very nice to you. This lady's very, very friendly, but they are not your friend. They are doing that so that you will lower your guard and you'll say things that you shouldn't say. Okay? So just be careful doing that. So if you've been in a wreck in the state of Alabama and you have questions, feel free to reach out to us, and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. And we'll do a few more videos about car wrecks and other things. But I just wanted to put this out there because it's a recent conversation that I've had for 25 years, which is, do I talk to the adjuster? So just be careful. Okay, thanks for watching us. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.